So this is the tour of my class site. My class was the history of sports. I took a class similar my freshman year of college, and honestly, I would have taken it in high school if I had the opportunity. I did my intro to the class, talking about what we're going to talk about, how the sports grew from when it first started in ancient Rome to the evolution of equipment and the formation of leagues over time. I have my link to my tech blog, my contact, and my latest revision to my latest revisions down in the bottom corner. We'll go to preview. So I have my about me. I have 3 paragraphs, then a picture of my parents on senior night. Let's see. Then, from online resources, I have my 10 to 15 links for sports information. They're league sites and sports information sites that are commonly used, like ESPN, and Barstool Sports isn't a crazy one on there. Fox Sports, CBS Sports, and then I have the NBA, NFL, MLB, MLS, and NHL websites on here. My Web 2.0 tools, I have my Diigo link right here. It's my annotations. They're in order. On tech projects, let's see. On my tech project page, I have my Google Slides, then I have my digital scavenger hunt, and then I have my website evaluation on here, my digital story, which I did on the history of the football helmets, all my PLN stuff, from what is a PLN to the map to building a PLN. Let's see. And then I have my mobile app, which I did mine on Splashtop Remote. And then, last but not least, my Apple badges. And after my Apple badges, I'm going to put my screencast on here once I finish doing this. That's pretty much it. If you click Tech Blog, it brings you to my blogger, which I have my 3 blog posts. And that's it.